Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. This is the Sheglam. Why does that look... No, it's not upside down. So this is the Sheglam Skin Magnet High Cover Foundation Stick. I'm going to put on the screen how much this was. I think it was pretty cheap. But people were going nuts about this stuff basically. They look like quite chunky. I got 3 shades. Now, I will say when you're looking at the shades, I looked at the shades and I got these 3. I might flash up on the screen what it looked like when I was buying them. Because to me, I've got Fair, Shell and Walnut. Now to me that was going to be like a more contour-y type shade. Not so much contour, but like just a slightly deeper shade for doing like bronzer or whatever. And it's really not that dark. Packaging's pretty cool. It's pretty beefy. Like there's actually like a bit of substance to it. So I'm gonna... I don't know how far it's going to go. I will. I mean, there is a lot of product in there. Put it in the kind of... I will do a sponge side, but I haven't got one wet just now, so I'm going to just do this one first. I really should have done that. Never prepared. From a distance, I'm looking over here because I have a massive big mirror here. But from a distance over at that mirror, this looks lovely. I mean, I don't have any natural light. It's all kind of studio type lighting just because it's 20 to 8 at night. I've been sick all day. This is the first time I've been able to actually do anything. Right, I'm going to go and get a blender of some description. In my opinion, I don't think it goes on as well. It's kind of sheared it out. It's taken away its nice sort of, what's the word, texture. It's still glowy on that side, so I'll just come in close and let you see. So see how like that side just looks a little bit more even, whereas this side just looks like, especially in here, it's quite patchy. To be honest, it's really not bad at all. I'm kind of impressed a little bit, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm back. Everything went over it totally fine. I even ruined it a little bit by putting a bronzer that I really didn't like on, and it went quite patchy, and I managed to sort of save it. It's a little bit heavier, like the bronzer blush, than I would like normally, but all of the stuff that I had to do to get it back to sort of looking half decent, the foundation was totally fine underneath. I find it's really comfortable. It's maybe a little bit heavy in places, but it's a thick foundation. I have dry skin. That's likely to happen. I think it's decent. I don't really think that there's anything wrong with it. For the price as well, that's absolutely unbelievable. And it doesn't like have a horrible smell. Actually doesn't smell like anything at all. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. So if you've been thinking about trying it out, I'd 100% recommend it. Obviously, if anything changes, like if I break out tomorrow or something like that, I will put it in the description box below, or I'll put an edit in this video. But I can't see anything wrong with it. And for the price point, I would say that that's a pretty good win. So obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time.